Okay, now we're going to go through the lipids and nucleic acids part of the lecture. Lipids, monomers, and you have to have both for this, are fatty acids and glycerol. So the monomers are both fatty acids and glycerol. So here are the fatty acids, and this is the glycerol. So you have to have the fatty acids and the glycerol for both. So there's a test question that says, what are the monomers for lipids? And you have to put fatty acids and glycerol. Examples: body fat is used to store energy and for temperature control. So lipids are really good at storing lots of energy. For example, body fat has 9 calories per gram, where a carbohydrate only has 4 calories per gram. So for the same amount of material, you're getting twice as much of the calories stored. Phospholipids are making up our cell membrane. So this right here is a phospholipid. So this molecule here is a phospholipid. And that makes up our cell membranes, which in a few weeks we're going to learn a lot more about. Hormones, steroid hormones at least, are made of lipids. Okay, and that's really important for them because steroid hormones can pass directly through the cell membrane because they're made of the same thing. Okay, so that's lipids. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids, well, structure, but when we talk about structure, we're really talking about their monomers. The monomers for nucleic acids are nucleotides. Examples are DNA, and DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. And another example would be RNA, which is just ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is used for storing our genetic information and for protein synthesis. It actually acts as the template or the recipe to make our proteins. RNA, for our purposes at least, is only used for protein synthesis. Okay, so the two uses for DNA are genetic information storage and protein synthesis, and an RNA, at least for our purposes, is only used for protein synthesis.